Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Yesterday, by using the dimension analysis, we have learned how can we check the correctness of a given physical relation dimensionally. The second use of the dimension analysis, the conversion, how we convert one system of units into another system of units. For example, if we are given the one system of units, the quantity is expressed in one system of units, how we will convert the same quantity in the second system of units by using dimension analysis. Suppose we are having a physical quantity, for example, physical quantity x. We will express it as n u. This physical quantity, suppose x, it is expressed as n. What is n and what is u? N is numerical value and u is its unit expressed in terms of mass, length and time. Oh, here write here n is the numerical value of physical quantity and u is its unit expressed in terms of mass, length and time. Now suppose the physical quantity it is expressed in the base units, mass, length and time. Let m1, l1 and t1 be the units of mass, length and time of physical quantity x in one system, and let n1 be its numerical value in the first system of units. Here we suppose let m1, l1 and t1 be the units of mass, length and why mass, length and time, because these are the fundamental quantities. And let suppose n1 is the numerical value of the physical quantity x in the first system of units. So how to write this physical quantity x in the first system of units? We will write it here. Therefore, the physical quantity x in first system of units is equal to n1, m1, l1 and t1. No, before writing this, we have to use A, B, and C for the dimensional of mass, length and time respectively. Therefore, physical quantity x in first system is equal to, we will write it like this: n1 is numerical value, then M1A L1B T1C. This is the equation first. That means the physical quantity x in the first system of units can be expressed as N1, M1A, L1B, and T1. What is M1, L1, T1? These are the units of mass and length and time, and A, B, C are the dimensions of mass, length, and time in the first system of units. So this physical quantity can be written as like this in first step. Now, if we suppose if M2, L2, and T2 be the units of physical quantity x in second system, and N2 be its numerical value in second system of units, then this physical quantity x, it can be written in the second system of units as N2 its numerical value, then M2A, L2B, T2C. This is second. That means here, look here, the physical quantity x in the first system of units can be written as like this, and the same physical quantity in the second system of units can be written like this, N2, M2A. Now, from equation first and second, what we obtain? From equations first and second, we here N2, M2A, L2B, T2C is equal to N1, M1A, L1B, T1C, or N2 is equal to N2 is equal to this N1 M1 divided by M2A is L1 divided by L2 with power B, T1 divided by T2 with power C. This is third. Now look at, according to equation third, if we are having the physical quantity having its numerical value in one system of units, we can calculate the units of the same physical quantity in the second system of units according to this equation. That means according to this equation third, if we are given the units of a physical quantity in one system of units, we can convert it into the second system of units by using this equation. Now illustration, for example, convert 1 joule into ergs. Now we'll use this equation and we'll convert 1 joule of work into ergs. Joule and erg, these are the units of work in SI system and CGS system respectively. Joule is the SI unit of work, and erg is the CGS unit of work. That means these two are the units of work. Now we will convert, if we are given the work in joules, how we will convert into ergs, or if the work is given in ergs, how we will convert into joules, by using this equation. Joule and erg are units of work in SI and CGS system respectively. Now first we'll see the dimensions of work. dimensions of work. ML2 T minus 2. What we had to convert? We had to convert joule into ergs. Now look here. Here A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to minus 2. Here A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to minus 2. Therefore, M1 by M2. What is M1? Is the unit of mass in S system. What is that? It is 1 kg divided by M2. It is the unit of mass in the C system. It is gram. 1 gram. That is 1000 divided by 1. That is 10 raised to the power 3. L2 by L1. L2 no, is L1 by L2 is 1 meter divided by 1 centimeter. That is 100 divided by 1. That is by 10 raised to the power 2. And T1 by T2 is equal to 1 second divided by 1 second, which is 1. Now, using the equation that we have done just before, M2 is equal to N1 M1 by M2 whole raised to the power A, L1 by L2 whole raised to the power B, T1 by T2 whole raised to the power C. Now we substitute here values. This is N1. N1 is 1 into M1 by L2. It is 10 raised to the power 3 into L1 by L2. It is 10 raised to the power 2 whole 2. Why? Because 1 A's value is 1, B is 2 and C is minus 2. That is, it is 1 divided by 1 whole raised to the power minus 2. What will become? It will become 10 raised to the power 3 into 10 raised to the power 4. So it will become 10 raised to the power 7. So 1 joule we are converted. 1 joule we were given the unit of work, that is N1, it is 1. But 1 joule of work we have converted into second system unit ergs. That is power 10 raised to the power 7 ergs. So in this way we convert one system of units into another system. So here what we get? We get 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to the power 7 ergs. This is how we convert one system of units into second system of units by using dimensional analysis. Thank you.